Last week, Mkhwanazi said that ex-Public Enterprises Minister Mafika Gama had instructed the board to review Siyabonga Gama's dismissal. Gama, he said, was of the view that the sanction against Gama was too harsh. To support that assertion, Mkhwanazi presented the board with 30 similar cases that hadn't resulted in dismissal. The board then decided a final written warning, valid for 6 months, was an appropriate sanction. This went against legal opinion that Gama had no prospect of success in a court of law.
You and your board, in effect, said, we want a CEO of a large division of Transnet who signs documents without reading them, and thus places Transnet in a serious financial risk. That's the CEO we want. We want him to be reinstated. Do you agree that that's the effect of your decision and your board?
Chairman, I agree with your comments, yes.
The Commission has heard that Mkhwanazi failed to act in Transnet's best interest by negotiating a generous settlement agreement with Gama. The agreement included 75% of Gama's legal fees. At the time, Gama owed Transnet over 400,000 rand in legal fees after taking his unfair dismissal application to the High Court.
Why did you interfere with a cost order made by a judge in a separate litigation which Mr. Gama had lost, and say you don't have to pay those costs? Because Transnet was not at risk in regard to those costs. That was finalized. Why did you do that?
Chairman, as I indicate, there were other documents or submissions from Gama's attorney, which in a nutshell were also trying to recover those costs.
Mkhwanazi has denied that he issued an instruction for Transnet to pay Gama's legal costs. But last week, a witness told the Commission that Mkhwanazi had stopped Transnet from retrieving funds owed by Gama.
We adjourn.
Balenhle Mthethwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.